Okay. Anong gawin natin?
That's one of their great attractions.
Okay.
Mom, look.
Yeah, it's a picture of you there.
Green beer. Hmm? Sarap.
Hi, baby. We are at Town Square of Prague.
Sarap ng green beer.
Tapos here also black.
Hello.
See, Taya, have you been here?
What is that?
Sarap papa.
Green beer.
Green beer, that is black honey. Behind us, Taya, is Toronto Hill.
What's the history?
We have Czech burger.
Her chat
History
GPT.
is that
You've searched for
it has a
her.
complicated mechanism that people don't understand how it works. It's
We
like a
just had
mechanical clock.
our
I don't know.
brunch ba to or a snacks? So I had
And then
my
Hannah was looking for
Czech
lechon manok,
burger,
and then
no?
we just had lechon
Special
manok.
Czech burger. And
Wala na, ubos na.
All bones.
Yeah, the bread is untouched. The bread is untouched. We received the bread that came with it.
ayun ako nakatikim nito kulay green beer.
Sis, you know, we keep eating at Asian restaurants. We just eat at Asian restaurants all the time.
I couldn't even
For rice.
Hannah
Wow.
always gets rice. So, parang we couldn't.
Parang this is like our, I don't know, like our 18th day. And nahihirapan na kami because we miss rice and Asian, ano.
Finally, wipe out. We
every
have
meal, every day. Every meal we eat rice. So we went to Europe to eat at Asian restaurants.
Nakagdala ako.
sarap.
Bread
Sarap.
and meat.